Now, my dear friends, I welcome you to the world of geometry with chapter 6, triangles. What is triangles? इसके दो पार्ट करते हैं. Let us do two parts. You know, one is tri, one is angle. That means a thing which is made up of three angles. Oh my God, there are so many triangles around. These triangles are moving from below, from above, all around triangles. Now, why these triangles around me? Can I see in this my daily to daily life? Yes, I can see. See this cycle. This cycle has a shaped triangle in it. Can you see that? Yes. See this mall, shopping mall. In this shopping mall building, the front is looking like a triangle. There are so many triangles in the front, design. Similarly, if I see a thing in nature that is like a mountain can be seen as a shape of, can be seen in the shape of triangles. Similarly, I see in festivals like Christmas festival, the Xmas tree or the Christmas tree. So this Xmas tree has a shape of, again, a triangle, and so many things around. In this रियल लाइफ कहीं मॉल है तो कहीं माल है, सो कहीं साइकिल है तो कहीं शॉपिंग मॉल है. All are seen in terms of triangles. We can guess the triangles in them. So don't you think the interesting part of the triangle is that we must know how did this triangle come into picture. So let's start off with triangles. So my dear friends, let me get inside the part A of chapter 6, triangles, that is introduction. Introduction of triangle is quite interesting. So I have a story. I have a story, what we say कहानी. ट्रायंगल की कहानी, दीपांकर बनिक की जुबानी. Wow, nice rhyming, no? So let me study this triangle practically and geometrically. So I take a point. So do you see a point? Yes, this is point. Here at my fingertip there is a point. Are you a point? I am asking you student, 10वीं के बच्चों, are you a point? क्या आप एक बिंदु हो? क्या आपका बिंदु है? साइज देखते हैं कैसे. Now you look like Ramesh, Ganesh, Suresh और Shantakanta Pushpa when I see from a closer distance. But if I see you from the top view, धीरे धीरे आप छोटे छोटे होंगे. You will be smaller और आपका इतना छोटा हो जाएगा साइज कि आप क्या बन जाओगे? बिंदु. ओ मेरी प्यारी बिंदु, है ना? So this is a point. So anything which is seen at a larger distance, with respect to a large distance, that can be seen as a point. So this is a point. So everything in this world could be seen as a point. So this is a point, a circle of 0 radius. Now, if I want to make a line from this point, what I do? I extend this point and I draw a line. Line is made up of so many points. So this is a line. Now, if I take this line over here and if I extend like this, then this line becomes what? A square or a rectangle, as you can see with 4 sides, right? Point से line से क्या बना? Square. Now if in this square or rectangle I remove one side, here it goes, then this is a open figure with 3 sides. Is this rectangle, square or any quadrilateral? Is it some standard figure? No. So to make it standard figure, if I say A, B, C, D, I want to connect C with D. So here I drop C over D and it becomes like this. So this looks like what? A triangle. So what is a triangle? Triangle is a polygon having 3 sides and 3 angles. So this is how from a point we generated a triangle practically. So my dear friends, you can see point, line, square, rectangle and triangles. I can see many such standard shapes and size in the world of geometry. So geometry has 2 parts, geo and metry. What is geo? Geo means earth, Prithvi. This is Prithvi. There are so many shapes and sizes available in the nature on our planet Earth. This is Prithvi. Geo means Prithvi. What is metri? Metri, as we understand, is measurement. So we are, curious animal. इंसान जानना चाहता है, खोजना चाहता है. He wants to invent. He wants to discover what are the various, shapes and sizes available in the nature. What is their measurement? So we use measurement tools like this, measurement tape or scale, just to measure, heights and lengths and everything like this. Right, in nature. Now this is what is geometry, but in geometry we have various shapes and sizes. Some of them are known as circle, some is known as square or rectangle, some is known as some are known as triangles, and some of them are known as trapezium, and so on and so forth. So there are so many shapes and sizes. Of this so many shapes and sizes, I see say circle. How do I draw circle? There is a center and there is a radius, and I draw circle with the help of compass like this. So this is circle. Right? Now circle chota ho ya bada ho, if it is smaller or bigger, it will remain circle. So circle has very less possibilities, right? Whereas if I take a square, how do we make square? Four sides all are at right angles, matlab 90 degree, 90 degree, 90 degree. All sides are of course equal. Now if I make it bigger or smaller, still it will remain square. Circle will remain circle. But when I take triangle, then here I go. Triangle has many possibilities. Kya possibilities hai? Let us check out. Now my dear friends, let me check out this triangle. I know what is triangle. It is a polygon of three sides. Right? Closed polygon of three sides and three angles, of course. Now what are the various possibilities with respect to sides? Let me check out. Now triangle could be like this. What do you see? All sides are equal. All angles you can see are also equal. Such triangle is known as equilateral triangle. Equi matlab equal, lateral matlab sides. All sides are equal. Equilateral triangle. Right? Second, what do you see in this second? Second is a triangle, but only two sides are equal, and of course two angles, right? Now this two sides being equal, it is known as isosceles triangle or isosceles triangle, the way you pronounce, right? So this is second type. Now the third would be, guess what? पहले all sides equal थे in the first go, in the second go only two were equal, but in the third go I can assume that all the sides are unequal. All the lengths are different. One length is different from other is different from the third, second is different from the third, and third is different from the first. So such a triangle is known as scaling triangle, right? Scaling triangle this is known as, or scaling triangle. Now then I have one more possibilities. This is known as standing triangle, khada hua triangle. What is here standing? What is here khada hua? That is, the triangle is lying on a base and it is perpendicular. There is 90 degree. Such triangle is known as right angled triangle. One angle being at 90 degree. As you can see, others angles are not like that. One more triangle, a bit different from this category, is like this. थोड़ा बिरादरी के बाहर दिखता है. Although it is different triangle, but it looks like a triangle. It is elongated triangle. थोड़ा सा लंबा triangle दिखता है. Why? Because इसका एक चीज बड़ा है. बताओ क्या चीज बड़ा है ना? So the angle is bigger one. What is that? That is, this angle is 120 degree. 120 degree is more than 90 degree. More than 90 degree मतलब obtuse angle. So such triangle is known as obtuse angled triangle. So these are the various types of triangles. So triangles has so much of possibilities. That's why we are interested in studying triangles, and similarity of triangles is our concern. Two triangles could be similar or congruent. Let's start.